In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make amazing slide in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Let me zoom out, rotate it and place it like this. Now again go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Make sure the rectangle covers whole slide. Let me select this shape, go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Now place it like this, click on right button, click on bring to front. Now select this shape and this shape, go to shape format, go to merge shape and click on intersect. Click on shape fill, click on this shape, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Now select this shape, click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill, go to picture or texture fill, select insert, go to insert. Let me select this one, click on insert and click here tile picture as texture. You can change the transparency from here. Now go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill, change the background fill color according to your choice. Let me select this one. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this and write some text here. I have written this text. Click on justify and change the font according to your style. Let me select this font. Now again go to insert, go to shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here. Make it more sharper right here. See more. Click on this shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this and right here nature and go to home, increase the font size and go to shape format, go to shape fill, change the fill color and shape outline, make it no outline and place it like this. Now click on right button, duplicate slide, click on this shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill, select any fill color from here. Let me select this one, go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill, change the fill color from here. Now let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape and drag it over here like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Go to shape fill, make it no fill and make it bigger and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, make it bigger and place it exactly like this. Now again go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape and by holding the shift key drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, change the fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now select this text and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and remove this text size and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. So if I want to watch the slide, let me click on here. This is looking so good. Here is some space, you can remove it by writing manually. See the second slide, this is looking so good. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.